But there are more research on this, because the aging problem has become ever more serious in China. So for the elderly, they need to rehabilitate. If they get injured, they need the robots to help them recover. So the robots serve the people, and this is an important area of studies. It is like the unmanned ships and unmanned vehicles and unmanned aerial vehicles, and there are 3 types of robots like this. And the robots who can dive. These are the humanoid robots. They are popular. Okay, this gentleman, please introduce us what's the functions of these robots. The major function is in bank, shops, or exhibitions. Sometimes these robots can accompany the elderly. Sometimes in the banks, when we queue up, we can see such robots. But at home, what functions do they have? Through the cloud, they can control the utilities. You can open the lights when the elderly is not convenient to walk. They can help them. So it serves people's lives. Thank you. So the humanoid robots are often seen in various areas. Now we are at the Intelligent Industry Research Institute of Ningbo. Greetings. Are you the head of this stand? This is very novelty. This is very novel. Is it playing Go? We hope that the robot can be sold to the ordinary people. It's like human beings. It can play Go Band and the Go games. We hope that we can use the robots to help the children who cannot read to play such a game. And also, sometimes the elderly may not be able to use the computers. We want these robots to help them. Indeed, if it is used at home, it is more convenient to people's lives. So, compared with your intelligence, how about that? No, I cannot judge. It's the draw game. Actually, I have won for so many games. They need to rehabilitate. If they get injured, they need the robots to help them recover. So, the robots serve the people, and this is an important area of studies. It is like unmanned ships and unmanned vehicles and unmanned aerial vehicles, and there are 3 types of robots like this, and the robots who can dive. These are the humanoid robots. They are popular. Okay, this gentleman, please introduce us. What's the functions of these robots? The major function is in bank, shops, or exhibitions. Sometimes these robots can accompany the elderly. Sometimes in the banks, when we queue up, we see such robots. But at home, what functions do they have? Through the cloud, they can control the utilities. You can open the lights when the elderly is not convenient to walk. They can help them. So we serve people's lives. Thank you. So the humanoid robots are often seen in various areas. Now we are at the Intelligent Industry Research Institute of Ningbo. kind of understand. This is very novelty. This is very normal. Isn't playing Go. We hope that the robot can be sold to the ordinary people. It's like human beings. It can go play Go band and the Go games. We hope that we can use the robots to help the children who cannot read to play such a game. And also, sometimes the elderly may not be able to use the computers who want these robots to help them. Indeed, if it is used at home, it is more convenient to people's lives. So, compared with your intelligence, how about that? No, I cannot judge. It's the draw game. Actually, I have won for so many games because we want to let the customers use, so we can choose the difficulty from the amateur 15 to 25 and amateur 6 to 1.